In this video, I'm going to show you where to get promo codes for Pandora. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, on my device, I'm going to open up any web browser. I'm going to head on over to Google. And now in the Google search bar, I'm going to type in Pandora promo codes. And then I'm going to click on search. And now from here in the Google search results, we've got a few different third-party websites. You've got marieclaire.com offering 10% off in June. You got Groupon 30% off gifts. Real Tell Me Not, We Thrift It, etc., etc. Join Honey. So any one of these sites will work. So the one I like to use for this particular website is We Thrift It. So I'm going to click on We Thrift It here. And if I scroll down, you got an extra 15% off with code. You got save money with code. But for this one here, I'm going to click on this one. And for this code here, you can actually show the history. So you can see this was used 9 hours ago with 42 total uses. And Pandora Cooper code was reported working by shoppers 15 hours ago. So it's a pretty cool stat to know. And once you've checked that out, the stats and that, you can click on copy code. And now that code has been copied to my clipboard. And at the checkout section of Pandora, simply paste that code in to enjoy your 15% off.